Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study with Archana. So today we'll do polynomial graph. So here the equation is given as y equals to x square minus x minus 12. So we'll take it as equals to 0. First we'll do factorization. The first step of any graph is of the polynomial is factorization. First x into minus 12 minus 12x square. So what are the aspects of it? How can we get minus 12? 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4 and reverse of this. So how we can get minus 1? Here before the coefficient of x is 1, right? Nothing is there means we will consider it as 1. So 1 means minus 1 is the coefficient. We have to get minus 1. So what we will do? So we will get minus 1. See here 3 minus 4 we can do, so we'll get minus 1, right? 3 minus 4 minus 1. So we'll take plus 3 and minus 4. X square plus 3x minus 4x minus 12 is equals to 0. Here we'll take x as common. Here in this 2 we'll take x as the common. So if we take x common, here x plus 3 minus 4 will take common, x plus, if we take minus as common, here minus, again we'll do minus into plus, we should get minus, so we are taking here plus. So x plus 4, 3 is a 12, then x plus 3 equals to 0. Now x plus 3 common, x plus 3 common will take, what is the remaining? X minus 4 equals to 0. So we'll separately write it. X plus 3 is equals to 0, x minus 4 is equals to 0. So x plus 3, x equals to minus 3, it is the first 0, and x equals to 4, it is the second 0. So therefore minus 3 and 4 are the zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial. So next step is to draw a table. To draw a table like this, write first x values, what we are taking as x, and y, what is the equation. We'll substitute that x value in the y equation and we'll get some values. By that x and y values we'll prepare the graph. So first I am taking the x values are here minus 3, it is minus 3, so I'll start from minus 4, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 is the 0. This is the 0 and this is the 0. I'll take one more extra 5. We'll take extra 1 numbers and we'll prepare. Now to solve this, here we have to do let x equals to minus 4. If we keep x equals to minus 4, then y equals to, x means minus 4, minus 4 whole square minus into minus 4 minus 12. Minus 4 square, 4 4s are 16, minus and minus plus 4 minus 12. 16 plus 4, 16 plus 4, 20 minus 12. 20 minus 12, 8. So first value is 8, y equals to 8. So p of x comma y is minus 4 comma 8. Next, let x equals to minus 3. If we take x as minus 3, then minus 3 whole square minus into minus 3 minus 12 equals to 3 square 9, minus, it will convert into plus because the exponent is in even. Minus into minus plus 3 minus 12 equals to 9 plus 3, 12 minus 12. So this is the 0. Then if we get same 0, then our problem is correct. So y is equals to 0, 0. Then p of x comma y is minus 3 comma 0. Next, let x equals to minus 2. If we keep the x value as minus 2, then minus 2 whole square minus into minus 2 minus 12. Minus 2 square, 4 plus 2 minus 12. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 12 minus 2 minus 6. So y is minus 6. Minus 6. Then p of x comma y is minus 2 comma minus 6. Next, let x equals to minus 1. Then y equals to minus 1 whole square minus of minus 1 minus 12. Y equals to 1. 1 square 1 plus 1 minus 12. Y equals to 1 plus 1 2 minus 12. 2 minus 12 is minus 10. So minus 10. P of x comma y is minus 1 comma minus 10. Next, let x equals to 0. Then y equals to 0 square minus of 0 plus means minus 12. So y equals to 0 minus 0 minus 12. So y equals to minus 12. Minus 12. So p of x comma y is 0 comma minus 12. Next, let x equals to 1. Then y equals to 1 square minus 1 minus 12. Y equals to 1 minus 1 minus 12. So 1 is in the positive value, we'll keep it as 1 only. Minus into minus plus 1 plus 12, 13. Minus 13. 1 minus 13 minus 12. So minus 12. P of x comma y is 1 comma minus 12. Next, let x equals to 2. Y equals to x square. 2 square minus 2 minus 12. That is equals to 2 square 4 minus 2 minus 12. 4 minus 2 minus 12 minus 14. 4 minus 14 minus 10. Then y is minus 10. 2 comma minus 10. P of x comma y is 2 comma minus 10. Next, let x equals to 3. Y equals to 3 square minus 3 minus 12 equals to 9 minus 3 minus 12. 9 minus 3 minus 12 minus 15. 9 minus 15, 6 minus 6 will get us minus 6. Y equals to minus 6. So p of x comma y is 3 comma minus 6. Next, let x equals to 4. So y equals to 4 square minus 4 minus 12. 4 square 16 minus 4 minus 12 minus 16. 16 minus 16, 0. So y equals to 0 will get us 0. So p of x comma y is 4 comma 0. Next, 5. Let x equals to 5. Y equals to 5 square minus 4 minus 12. That is equals to 5. 5 square 25 minus 5 minus 12. Minus 5 minus 12 is minus 17. 25 minus 17. 25 minus 17 is 8. Y equals to 8. So p of x comma y is 5 comma 8. Now we got all the p of x comma values. Now we'll shift these points into the graph. So here I have taken the graph and I have named the x-axis and y-axis units. I have taken scale is very important to write in the graph. It consists of 2 marks. It is very important in a graph. So here I have took the x-axis as 1 unit in 1 centimeter and y-axis as 1 unit in 2 centimeters. So here I have already placed the numbers. So let's go for the marking. So the first points we have as minus 4 comma 8. So minus 4x in the x-axis, minus 4 here and 8 in the y-axis, positive 8. So minus 4 and 8 wherever they meet here, this is the point we have to mark and write in the bracket minus 4 comma 8. So first point completed. Next point minus 3 comma 0. So minus 3 comma means minus 3 in the x-axis, minus 3 here and 0. 0 means y-axis is this is only 0. So as minus 3 is a 0, it will come on the x-axis line only. So it is minus 3 comma 0. Next point minus 2 comma minus 6. Minus 2 in the x-axis, minus 2 and minus 6 in the y-axis. So minus 2 minus 6. Here the point marks minus 2 comma minus 6. The next point is minus 1 comma minus 10. Minus 1 in the x-axis, minus 10 in the y-axis. So this is the point. Minus 1 comma minus 10. Next point is 0 comma minus 12. So x-axis 0 and minus 12 in the y. So as this is 0, we'll get here 0 comma minus 12. So next point is 1 comma minus 12. 1 in the x-axis and minus 12 in the y-axis here. So 1 comma minus 12. Next point 2 comma minus 10. X positive. x2 comma minus 10 y-axis. Here we'll get the point. 2 comma minus 10. Next 3 comma 6 minus 6. 3 comma minus 6. Here we'll get the point. 3 comma minus 6. The next point is 4 comma 0. As 4 is a 0, we'll get on the x-axis line only. 4 comma 0 here. 4 comma 0. The next point is 5 comma 8. Positive x, 5 and 8. Here we'll get it. So 5 comma 8. Here I have done all the pointings. So now we'll join the graph. For doing a good curve, you can turn your paper like this and you can join thoroughly, slowly. See, my graph is coming better. By turning your paper, you can draw a good graph. So I got a perfect curve. So my graph is correct. By seeing the curve, you can see that whether you have done the correct pointings or not. So thank you for watching. That's all for today. If you have any doubt in other chapters or other subjects, you can comment in the comment section. I'll clarify your doubts.